just gonna want you to make a deposit.
And the spring sweetheart.
And here's the problem. I see no problem. It's not me that she'd be interested in. It's what I can do for her. It's the lifestyle. So still got love. Yeah, trust me.
Young love.
It's having a magic golf club. Every time you take a shot, the ball just goes in the hole. Oh yeah.
I know, that would be so cute.
Demonstration. And no more alcohol. I'm Walden Schmidt.
Hello.
That's Schmidt. SCHMIDT.
Okay. It's nice to meet you, Walden. I'm Susan. SUSAN.
Who, yeah.
Hi,
He was annoyed this morning. He was all laying on the bed and she was on the floor. She knocked all that shit over.
It's okay, we'll deal with it. I'm filming, Jesus.
There doesn't have to be sound.
She's wondering, why did he spell his last name?
Yeah, you should put on cute music anyways. But I don't want our...
Fortunately, it was right after.
I don't want the... You better not post this when our house is a mess.
The first hit on my name is the
Just zip it, Zippy.
No, I would do
exactly
what I
how
want.
much money she forgets the
You try telling me that and I'm on my period again.
Wow.
Something's gonna fucking fly at your
I was
head.
thinking of Austin Powers where he's like,
Wow.
zip
Probably
it.
got buttons,
And he's
one
all
button on the
zip
blouse.
He's all going through all
And
You know what? I changed my mind about that drink.
I still don't see the problem.
Is it possible to be more capable and more productive than able to perform here and here? Make a statement while barely making a sound and command the road as well as what lies ahead. How we get there matters.
He's like, okay, girl. I see you.
Whoa, the new iPhone 15 with that amazing camera. I wish my family had.
Wait, you're an action star. Take action. Join T-Mobile and get 4 new iPhone 15 on them.
Hey!
Here, look.
Definitely have to add that into your social media.
You're stuck on minutes.
This holiday, T-Mobile get 4 new iPhone 15s on us and 4 lines unlimited for $25 a month.
What do you think of the jacket? You look like a marshmallow.
I believe you're coming home with me instead of that girl. Not that I'm not flattered.